This is a very simple question from past WAEC, and then it says that we have y, z, x, and then the w is an extension to the triangle. We are asked to find the value of y. Now take note that this triangle you see here is isosceles. What that means is that the two base angles are equal. So how do we get the value of y? First, we are going to get the value for these base angles that are opposite to each other. So since they are equal, I'm going to sum their angles and then sum it to 130. So let me assume that these base angles are x and x since they are equal. So next thing to do is to sum the angles inside. So we'll have my x plus 130, and that will give me 180 degrees because the base angles are the same. So I take here to the x, here to the x. So this will give me 2x plus 130. Now I have 180 degrees. So next we need to collect like terms. So my 2x will be 180 minus 130. So let's continue this way. My 2x will be 50 degrees. So I divide both sides by 2. So this will be 2 and this will be 2. So this takes this down. So my x will be 25 degrees if 50 divided by 2. Now take note that we are asked to find the value of what? Y. Now I've gotten the value of x. Now know that y and x lie on a straight line. So that means x plus y, which is a straight line angle, their sum will be 180. Now I've gotten my x to be 25. So I'm going to sum it with y and close up my answer to 180. So I can get my value of y by saying 180 minus 25. So my y